This looks like an interesting SAT problem. Let's take a look. So we're given a square ABCD, and E is the center of the square, and the coordinates of C and E are given 7, 2, and 1, 0. And then they're asking which of the following is equation of the line that passes through the points B and D. So passes through the points B and D right here. That's your point E. Okay, so C is given to be 7, 2, and then E is 1, 0. Okay. All right, so the equation of the line that passes through this B and D. So we know that the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to each other, okay? So before we apply that, let's take a look at these 2 points out here. This line, the slope of this line is given by m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so if this is our x2 y2 and this is our x1 y1 right here, so we can just say x2 minus y2 minus y1 is 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, and what is my x2 minus x1 is 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1. So let's go ahead and clean that up a little. This is 2 divided by 6, which is 1/3. So the slope of that line right here, AC, is 1/3, okay, is 1/3. So the AC. Now we are going to calculate the slope of BD. We said the slopes of squares, they bisect each other in a perpendicular fashion. So let's find the perpendicular slope of this 1/3. It's going to be negative reciprocal. So what is negative is 1/3, negative 1/3, and the reciprocal of that is negative, is going to be negative 3. So negative 3 is then going to be the slope of this line BD. And we also know BD passes through the same point E, so that point is 1, 0. So we have some information now. We can see the answer choices C and D we cancel because the slope is not right. Now we can go ahead and substitute out here y is 0, so 0 equals negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 minus 1. So that's a negative 4. That's not equal to 0. So let's cancel that. So this is the right answer. So if you were to substitute y equals 0 is negative 3, x is 1. 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 times negative 3 is 0. So that works. Okay. So this is the correct choice, and that is our right answer. Okay. All right. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.